Hello. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to update your drawing sheets within Vertex BD. Drawings are taken from the template project and thus are ready to update in the current project. To update the sheets with elements from the active project, go to the Output tab within the ribbon and select the Drawing Sheets command. Once selected, the Drawing Sheets window will open. Here you can define the settings for updating your drawing, the view selection control if the view and drawing model itself is updated. It is advisable to have both these options checked to make sure the latest saved version is used. In the settings, you can select different options for altering the drawing, perhaps changing the type from the default wireframe to OpenGL or adding shadows, for example. You can also add grid lines to section views using this option here if grid lines are within your project. To execute refreshing the drawing, simply select the drawing or drawings needed to be updated and then select OK or press Enter. The drawing sheets will then generate as shown. For drawing sheets, it is advisable to add in dimensions in the original drawing, whether that be the floor plan or generated drawing. There are a number of tasks you can do once the drawing sheet is generated, however. For example, to move and rescale the drawing, in the Output tab, choose the Edit Draw Sheet command. Now, select the drawing to move. Notice the change in the contextual toolbar now, with rotation, mirroring, scaling options, etc. To scale, simply select the K icon here and select one of the predefined scales, or choose the one to question mark to define a custom scale. Then, simply place the drawing in the location required, and that's then all complete. Thanks for joining us for this video. In our next video in this series, we'll be taking a look at creating new drawings, including a cross-section within Vertex BD. So stay tuned.